Good morning, children. Welcome to the GK class. After a long time, we are having this class. Welcome. Today, we are going to do lesson 38, My India, page number 58. Lesson number 38. Lesson name is My India, and page number is 58. Now, first is tick the correct answer. The capital of India is. The capital of India is Mumbai, New Delhi, or Kolkata. The capital of India is Mumbai, New Delhi, or Kolkata. New Delhi. और बच्चों, you have to be careful that you have to put a tick mark from the left side, not from the right side. Where the A, B, C, D options are written, you have to put the tick mark on that letter. Okay, A, B, or C. So you have to put the tick mark on the letter A, B, C. Okay. Do not put tick mark to the right side of the word. Which is the flag of India? Which is the flag of India? Tricolor is this also, tricolor is this also, tricolor is this also. This is the correct because it has blue chakra, and in our Indian flag there is tricolor with blue chakra. There is no chakra and there is some circle, red circle in the center of the flag. So this is A is correct. Okay. Which is Indian? In noodles, pizza, or idli? These are the food, Indian food. Okay. So we have to find out the Indian food. There are three food. We have to find out the Indian food. Noodles, no. Pizza, no. Idli, yes. And on the C letter, you have to put the tick mark. Okay. Which is an Indian river? Which is an Indian river? Nile, Narmada, or Niger? Narmada. B. Which is Indian musical instrument? Which is Indian means here musical instrument. Tabla, violin, or guitar? Tabla. A. Which game was first played in India? Which game was first played in India? Chess, tennis, or cricket? Chess. This was played first in India. Which is not an Indian language? Marathi, Malay, or Malayalam? Marathi is of Maharashtra state. Malayalam language is of Kerala, and Malay is of Malaysia. So this Malay is not an Indian language. Malay is not an Indian language. Our country is run by a leader called the Chief Minister, or Leader Minister, or Prime Minister. Our country, who is the head of our country? Who is the leader of our country? Prime Minister. Raju's father runs the family, but his grandfather is the head of the family. See, country is run by Prime Minister. Okay. But who is the head of the country? Raju's father runs the family, but his grandfather is the head of the family. Okay. Our Prime Minister runs the country, but the head of the country is President. Prime Minister runs the country, but head of the country is President. Who was India's first president? Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, or Sardar Patel? Mahatma Gandhi, Rajendra Prasad, or Sardar Patel? Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B, is the first Indian president. Now next page is 59. Now see, I am going to read this box, what is written in the box. National means things related to the nation, like India. India's national anthem is Jan Gan Man. We sing our national anthem on special occasions such as raising the national flag. When we have some special occasions and we raise the national flag, at that time we sing Jan Gan Man, our national anthem. Now, question number 11 is, which is India's national animal? Lion, tiger, or elephant? Tiger. Which is India's national bird? Peacock, parrot, or koel? Peacock. Which is India's national flower? Rosy, lily, or lotus? Lotus. Which is India's national fruit? Lychee, banana, or mango? Mango. Which is India's national tree? Banyan, palm, or pine? Banyan, bargat ka ped. National tree. Now, these are some of the spellings which are not written properly. In order, we have to rearrange the letters and fill the letters and make the word complete or correct. Munay, Munaay. This is Munay. And we have to correct it and write here. Yamuna, Yamuna. Yamuna. This is Yamuna. Yamuna. Antap. Antap is wrong. This is Patna. 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 Undum. Undum is Mundu. 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 This is Dhokla. 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 This is Chakra. 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 Let's see the next page. 58, 59 we have done. Now this is 60. This is the next lesson. So we have to do only page number 58 and 59 in lesson 38. Okay, children? Do this work. I am going to send you PDF. We will meet in the next GK class. Till then, bye-bye.